Hello, this is Hans the Dutch guy with much Dutch, and this time we will see how to pronounce in a regular Dutch accent kruidnoten. Tiny hard cookies made of speculaas. This is how we say kruidnoten. Kruidnoten. And yes, I pronounce the N at the end, but normally we won't do that. So it sounds like this. Kruidnoten. Kruidnoten. There is a light emphasis on the first part of the word. Kruidnoten. Kruid-no-ten. Kruidnoten. Or without the N, kruidnoten. Kruidnoten are associated with Sinterklaas and are common in the Netherlands and Belgium. I hope this video was helpful. Please help us by liking it and by subscribing to our channel. And we do have plenty of other content here, so be sure to check that out too. Tot ziens!